Welcome to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan. And they done turned the heat back off again.
I'm cold.
It has not felt like summer. Like, we've had some days, but my goodness, this rain. And then it just cools it all the way down. Like, it was like 76 today. I'm like, where's the heat? Where's the summer? We're mid-July. Where is the heat? And people are like, well, don't be careful with be careful for what? Be careful about.
Girl, say what you saying.
What did I say? Be careful. You're gonna get ask for what you. Be careful. You're gonna ask for what you get for. You're gonna get what you ask for.
Girl, get it together.
Be careful. Be careful about what you ask for. You might get it. Close enough, right? We got it? Okay, sure. Listen, give me 85 at any point in time. I will even take a cool 90.
Yes, that's hot.
I like warm, I like heat, but it ain't on right now. So since it is not on, the upcoming forecast says it's supposed to be hot coming next week, so I will be getting back into testing gels. Now, until then, as I have mentioned before, anytime you see me in a puff, beep, that means that I am stretching wash day. So I need to minimize as much tangle as possible. As you saw by the title, I will be showing and reviewing the Jackie's the Flaxseed Recipe to Purify Me Moisturizing Co-Wash Cleanser. I have actually been using this for a good long while. I don't know why I've never reviewed it before, but here we are. Now, a few things about it that, because, most people are like, yeah, co-washes are just really conditioner. With the Aunt Jackie's co-wash, they actually have 4 mild cleansers in here. So like the first mild cleanser is actually the second ingredient after water. It is the sodium C14 olefine sulfonate. You've got your fatty acids, which are going to help with your moisturizing and conditioning. Beep. And then you have the other cleansers, which is the sodium cocoa isethionate, the cocamidopropyl betaine, and then a little bit further down, you then have the laurel glucosides. I am at the end of this bottle. I do need more. I don't co-wash regularly, but this is what I've been using. This is what I've been using all the time, anytime I co-wash my hair. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Of course, stay tuned to the end so I can talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. And I'm just gonna show you in entirety how it works. All right, let's go get in the shower because my scalp is so itchy. My hair is so dirty and dry. Hey, it's me. Okay, hair has been good and saturated and now ready to co-wash. So, as I said, it's at the end. So I'm gonna make this work. Now, per the instructions, it says that you are supposed to thoroughly wet the hair, work in a moderate amount. The co-rinse, gently massage. Do not vigorously shampoo, because it ain't a shampoo, it's a co-wash.
Do you understand?
So none of that y'all be liking to do. We're gently massaging it into the scalp. Rake fingers through, all the way to the ends, carefully working through tangles. Rinse and repeat. Make sure that your hair is clean afterwards. Okay, so consistency-wise, struggle a little bit. Super creamy, as you can see. It smells so good. It smells so good. So there is almond oil, coconut oil in here. There's flaxseed in here and perfume. And there's also shea butter. So it kind of has that buttery warmth scent to it. It smells so good. And consistency-wise, if I were going to compare this to a lotion, it is definitely giving me a normal to dry, because it's got a little bit of thickness to it, but it is creamy at the same time. All right, so where are my clips at? That doesn't look very gentle, does it? All right. did that. Okay, so a nice struggle. Rinse and repeat. Knocked this thing on the tub several times. Broke the top. I tried to get more out, but I got all of it. About to get a second wash. So let's talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. Now, one thing that I didn't mention before, but it is sulfate free, it is paraben free, no mineral oils, and no petroleum in it. Now, per the site, it has a question, and it says, what will it do for my hair? So it says that the rich and creamy triple action is going to replenish moisture, it's going to soften, and it's going to thoroughly remove buildup and impurities. And then with the ingredients like the flaxseed, the omega fats, along with the avocado oil, the coconut oil, these things are going to help to prevent with shedding, I'm sure with over time, help to prevent thinning, and it's going to overall improve your hair health. It's good for all hair types and textures, and good and gentle enough for daily use. And when using protective styling. So as far as it moisturizing, softening, and removing buildup, absolutely, my scalp was so itchy, and like now it feels like just good and clean. It just feels good and clean. Definitely was helping to moisturize my hair. As you saw, my hair was like clumping. My hair right now, wait, do I have some on my hand? Hair right now, it feels soft. As you can see, it's starting to like floof up. So that lets me know that it's not weighed down with product. It feels clean. It feels like a gentle cleanser. It definitely feels soft. It feels conditioned. One thing, when you specifically when you do a double rinse, that second rinse, once you're rinsing out, you start to hear that a super slight squeakiness too, like a slight, it'd be like that, just like that much of it. So you know that you've done something like those 4 gentle cleansers are like making one mild cleanser. So it definitely gets the hair clean, and it feels good. I don't need anything from it. As you can tell, I've been very clearly put my hands down. I've been very clearly using the bottle. I like it. It smells good. It works well. I can detangle with it, which is a good thing. It starts to clump my hair. Like, it ticks all the boxes. It does everything that it says that it's gonna do. I don't need anything from it. So let me know if you have had a chance to try and I know it's been around for a while. Unjackets has been around for a while, period. But let me know if you have tried the Unjackets Purify Me, their moisturizing co-wash. Did it do everything for you that it said that it was gonna do? Oh, and another thing that I appreciate with Unjackets is that you have to give it a little twang when you say that. Unjackets. It is a very budget-friendly product. So if you need something quick and easy, wait, hold on. That used to be my name when I was 19.
Girl, what?
No, I'm just playing. So what you pay for it, the price for it, the availability of it, because I do believe that you can get this at Target. I have things linked down below, along with any of the videos that have popped up above. All linked down below in the description box for you to watch after this one. But you can click on the link below. I'll tell you where you can find it if you have not tried it. It's definitely worth a try. I like it. I enjoyed it. Like I said, empty. All right, so make sure that you like this video, press the red subscribe button. The heat should be back on next week. I'm gonna be vlogging this weekend too, which is why I pushed my wash date, and I'm just doing a co-wash. So I'm gonna be vlogging and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. Press the red subscribe button. Like I said, the heat will be back on, getting back into gels versus humidity. Feel free to share this out if somebody else may be interested in wondering how the Unjackets, the Purify Me, the moisturizing co-wash works on type 4 hair. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning into JermaineAuNatural. I'll see you in the next one. All right, go.